Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today I want to share with you how to knit slip pattern in two colors. So you can see what we have here, guys. I'm having card 9 in store already. So I'm using card 9, punch card 9 for this tutorial today. And if you are going to knit card 9 in fair fishly, it's going to give you another pattern. But if you are knitting it in slip pattern two colors, it's going to give you another pattern. So what you need to do is to install your card and put your card on hold. After putting your card on hold, then make sure after casting on, your carriage is at the left side if you are using broader knitting machine. Then I'm going to turn this knob to the middle right now to inform my machine I want to knit punch card knitting, and I'm going to knit one row right now to select the needle in punch card knitting. So you can see what we have right now. So you can see that the needle is being selected right now. You can see that the needle is being selected, then the next thing to do is to open the card. You can see right here is to open the card to green, that is small size. Open it to green in between this and this is old, so I've opened the card to green now, for the card to be rotating. Then right now I'm going to press the button at the right side, the two buttons at the right side together, just like this. Then I'm going to change this yarn and be interchanging it with this. This is the two color yarn that I want to use. I will be interchanging them in 2 rows each. So that's what I need to do to get this slip pattern 2 color done in punch card 9. So that's how I will be interchanging them in 2 rows each. So I will remove this. So right now I'm going to go ahead and pick this ash color and knit 2 rows in knit. Remember, the slip pattern button is on and the card is rotating. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, then go another 2 rows of the second color, which is sky blue. Then this is how I will continue knitting in slip pattern 2 color till I get to the required length of the knitting I want to knit, or the required length of the project you are knitting. So I'm going to be alternating the yarn into 2 rows. So then so guys, you can see what we have. After finishing the length of the project you want, you can decide now to halve the pattern and turn your carriage back to plain. Then put the card on hold. So right now I'm going to knit few rows so that we can see what we have. So guys, you can see what we have. This is when you knit with fair fishly, and this is when you knit with slip pattern 2 color. Same card is giving this. You can see what we have. Same card is giving this design. Card 9, guys, is giving this design. You can see the difference between it.